Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Raw Code. In today's video, we are continuing building our e-commerce app. In previous video, we built all products UI design and also integrated their API. So now we are going to build a single product page UI and also build API for that. So let's get started. First of all, I'm adding header here so it's looking good. So in all products page, import header here. So yeah, it's look good and you can use the cart and all products. So yeah, after that, create a new page of single product page. So name it single product page dot tsx rafce, remove the import react part, and in app.tsx configure the route of this. So route path is going to slash item and element is going to single product page. Okay, yeah. So in all product page, add a on click event on card which navigate. So for the navigation, import the const navigate, use navigate. So in on click, navigate slash item, we have to pass the ID here in query parameter. So question mark ID is equal to dollar sign curly braces ID. Okay, product dot underscore ID. Yeah, and when we click on any product, you can see there is item underscore, there is a ID for it. Every product has different ID. For this one, it has EV7C82D, and for this one, it has EV7C82F, and also for this one, it has EV7C836. For every product, there is different ID. So let's create the single product page UI. In single product page, first give a class name, this flex call, and gap of 2, yeah, gap of 3, and after that we need a image first. So image slash 1.jpg. So give it a style, width width is going to 50%, half of the image. Yes, and I have to make image on center. So for that, item center, justify center. Yeah, and we have to wrap it under another div. yes, and class name flags call, and gap is going to 3. Remove the gap from here. Yes, and after it, first of all, import header here, and after the image there is name. So after the image, so let's create another div. So let's create another div, give it class name flags call, and with a gap of yeah, 3, and also make margin top 10, and under it h1 name, yeah, here, and with and class name text to excel, and below the name we have a p tag with description, yes, and below the description we have price, yes, and price is going to font bold, and that's it. And also we have two buttons, first is add to cart and second is why now. So let's create the two buttons. That button is under a div, class name flags gap 2, and import the button by now and also add to cart. Let's check it out here. Make this width to full. Okay, I have to check the width first. So make it background white. Yeah, it's getting full. So class name with full, and also with this button class name with full. Yeah, you can see, and margin top 20. That's great, I think. So UI is completed, and let's move to create our API for it. So let's close the client folder, and under the server folder we have models, and under the models we have products.js. We already created 3 APIs from this product model, and we are going to create the 4th API from this product model. So let's create a route, and route is item.js const express is equal to require express, const router is equal to require router, and const products is equal to require products. Yeah, and after it router dot get slash id. request dot request and response parameter, and here const id is equal to request dot params dot id, and const token is equal to request dot headers or dot authorization, and import the const jwt. Jwt verifies it. Jwt dot verify token process dot env dot jwt secret, and async, and here it don't need to verify the token. So const product is equal to await products dot find by id, and id is this one from params. If we got the product, then we return a response dot status with 200, and dot json is product whatever we get. Else we return a 404 status code with message msg product not found, and module dot exports dot router, and import this here in index.js, and let's implement integrate this API. So const data, okay, const data set data use state any with array, and use effect const token from local storage dot get item token, const fetch product is equal to async const response is equal to await fetch data slash item slash id. So id is like this, item slash web query parameter. Okay, so for that we have to find the id from the query. So const location is equal to use location imported from React Rotterdam. Const query params is equal to new URL search params location dot search, and const id is equal to query params dot get id, and here id is this id, method is get, and authorization token. We don't send anybody. If response dot status 200, then set the data in data. After it, okay, so in name from data dot name, and description from data dot description, and in price from data dot price. Okay, let's try it. Something went wrong here. Console, network. Okay, it's not. Okay, we didn't call the function yet. Call the function here, fetch product, and also we add a empty dependency here on ID. Yeah, when when it fetches the ID only then use effect run. Otherwise use effect not run. So yeah, it's fetches the name, description, and price. So also I want to add a stock here with a span, a stock, it's data dot stock. So a stock is 50 for this one. Yeah. So for today's video, that's it. We created the single product page and also their API and integrated the API in front end. So that's it for today. In the next video, we are going to build the add cart UI page and also the API, and also we will try to implement the buy now function. Thank you so much for watching. So like the video, subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends. If you want to contribute on this project, check out the GitHub link, all the links of GitHub and all of my social media accounts in description, and also our links are visible on screen. So go and check it out and follow me on Instagram and Twitter and LinkedIn. That's it for today, and thank you.